Hi guys, it's Sahasra and I'm from Blue Narwhal. Today we're going to be making a clay cupcake with magic clay. So from this magic clay box we got all of these colors. And now let's get started. So I'm only going to be using 5 colors. Now you can rotate your colors as much as you want. Okay, so we're going to be using brown, a reddish pink, white, dark blue, and a light mintish green. Alright, so first we're going to need to get how much we need from all these. So I'm pretty sure we'll need like this much brown. Now we're done with brown. Green. We'll need a small amount of green, just a tiny little amount. I'm just going to roll them all up into balls. So the green, why we need a bit is because it's going to be the leaf for the little cherry on top. So put it there. It's right there. Next, pinkish red. We'll need just a bit more than the green because it's going to be the cherry. So roll it up into a... So this is about how big the cherry is going to be. Next, we're going to move on to the dark blue. I'm going to be using the dark blue for the wrapping paper, the paper around it, and yeah, that part. So we need to make it a bit bigger than the brown, because the brown is going to be the actual cupcake. So roll it up. Doesn't want to be a ball. I'm just going to keep it there for now. And then last, we're going to be using the white. I'm going to be using it for frosting. Like I said, you can switch out the colors however you want. You can make it rainbow. Okay, now that we got everything, let's really get started. So I'm going to start with the blue and start gently like making a little hollow there. So making it like a bowl or something. Kind of like this. I'm going to redo it. You can redo this however many times you want. And there. Next I'm going to put this in here. Kind of wrap the blue around it. Now we have to make sure that the blue and the white don't touch. Okay, so now I'm going to flatten the white up. Make it really flat. So the white part has to be about as big as this. Okay, now we're going to use the cherry. Put it on top. And then this is the leaf. So I'm going to flatten the leaf a bit too and kind of make it a bit poking at that part. And there. Now I'm going to touch it on top of the cherry. And fix all of this up a bit. And there. All done. Okay, so as we've seen with the cupcake today, we can make lots of things that involve cooking and that don't involve cooking, like this other cupcake. We have this cookie, a small little cake, a 3-layer cake, and another 3-layer cake. So, thank you for watching and I hope you like this video. Be sure to subscribe and like.